All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 mid-roof short wheelbase with 28,000 miles. Beautiful white with gray vinyl interior. AM/FM stereo system. You got backup camera, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. I do see a dent here. It's like actually a cracking here, right there. Let's see, about 6 inches right there. All right, your hood looks pretty good. Your fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. Your tire thread under 7/32. This door looks good. This rear door does have multiple dents. Can it be seen? I mean, you see them? You see them? Like crazy, the reflections that you see there. Those are all little thing. There you go. You see all those there, all those there, there. They seem to be from the inside of the truck out, but there's plenty. There's about 15 to 20 of them right there. All right, on this door here, seems to be 1, 2, 3, about 3, 4. All right, of those same type of dent. All right, this is your rear driver's steel wheel. Tire thread here is under 4/32. Coming around, that looks pretty good. Back around here. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have a rear wall divider there. Does come with the 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM/FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. Here's what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on, and the issued your mileage of 28,863. Oh yeah, let me back up camera. Ow. All right, keeping it moving. Rear bumper looks pretty good. This door got a dent right there, as you can see it. Let's see, the rest of it looks pretty good. Just have a little thing here, opens that up. On this side it's missing it, but if you just pull this little lever out, which is exactly what that other thing does, you'll be able to open those doors. This is what it looks like from the rear cargo area. Very nice. That's some, you see, wheel wells look pretty good. Don't look too beat up. This here looks pretty good. Up there I do see a dent on that door. Right there. I'll show you that in a second. This door, how's it look? This door looks pretty good. Check it out. Bring my ladder. Alright, cool. And this is what it looks like up here. Got some dents. Took a hit here. You can see some pieces there. Some there. The rest of the roof, it's got some dents. You can see it. See the reflection right there? That's a dent there, and that's another one there. Alright. So it's got this here. Boom, and the door's got a dent on it. This door is okay. Alright. As you can see, the door does close. Well. Alright. Put this ladder back. Right. Of course, here's the other side of the rear of your quarter panel. It does have 1, 2 dents from the inside out. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Tire thread under 7/32. This door here looks pretty decent. This is what your side cargo area looks like. Boom. What your divider looks like. Pow. Very nice. I like it. This door here looks pretty decent. Here's your front passenger seat. With no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender. Front passenger steel wheel. It's right here on the 732nd. Lights are working, car is running. Folks, once again, a 2017 Transit T-250 mid-roof short wheelbase with, what was I gonna say? 28,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.